Hi everyone, today we're showcasing DOM manipulation with Interactor. We've got a form with a text field, a select field, and a color picker. Then we have this simple text widget and we want to show the manipulation we do in the form on the widget. Let's write something, change the font, and choose a color. How did we set this up? Back in the Elementor editor, we've got the form, and each field has a unique ID. The color picker is another form field by Gloo. We have this heading widget here, set it to H2, and gave it an ID. Heading to Interactor, we've got 3 triggers and 3 events. First trigger is typing, second is for the select field, and third is for the color. We then have an event for each trigger. On the first trigger, we set the firing event as key down for the best performance, targeted the form field title with the ID Elementor gives it. We can check it with the inspection tool on your browser. We then connected this trigger to its event. We did the same on the second trigger, but set the firing event as input change, then connected it with the target form field and the event to change CSS font. We did the same for the color trigger. Coming to the events, we set the first as an interaction event, set the interaction as set text, targeted the heading widget and the H2 so that we can write within it, fetch the parameter from the form field we need, and after we did this, we came back to the triggers and connected it with the first trigger. Same idea for the second event, except we used set CSS as interaction. First parameter is font family and we're not fetching it from the form this time. Second parameter we are fetching instead, which is the actual selected font in the select field. Third event is the exact same as the second, but we're setting it up to fetch the color from the color picker. Once we update, that's all there is to it. And we can see the changes in the form reflected in the heading widget.